Hey. What's happening? Captain Chris Johnson here. I'm jumping on before Marty real quick here. He's coming on at 12:30. I thought I'd get mine in. Let me tell you what's going on, because I know Marty's going to forget. 2 o'clock today, we got a guest public webinar. Get on this. I will put that link right after this video. If you're a guest, man, just get in it. All right, just go check it out. And then we got the 3 o'clock Peter Shore private founders only Arabic and Middle Eastern language. That's on at 3. That link's in the back office. 8 o'clock, we got the Admire Walker, Dr. Derek in the Caribbean. I will have that posted in the back office. Plus, hi Lystra, Peter Shore, John White. I'm sneaking on before Marty, so I got to do this quick. I don't want to get fired. So let me talk a little bit here. I want to talk to 2 places today. Frap, where I used to work for 32 years. You guys are back at it. You're killing it again. I want to say this because I got a lot of people in Frap that have signed up in the last few days. Beth Ann Nolan. There's a lot of people. They just don't want me to say their names because there's 4 or 5 people in that plant that are running around saying it's fake. Don't listen to Chris. But here, let me tell you something. To those 4 or 5 people that are doing that, all right, start baking cakes. All right, start baking cakes. Why do I say that? Because you're going to have a ton of people walking out of Frap a year after because they joined on Onpassive. Okay, so bake those cakes, guys. Here's another promise I'm going to make to you. The day that you're watching them walk out the door, you're going to sign up with them as resellers. All right, I can promise you that. And if you don't, well, I don't know what to tell you. But Frap, keep it up. Get with Beth Ann. A lot of people at Frap have signed up. They're signing up. They heard my plan B. They heard about my plan B. So that's good. Keep going. It's $97. You guys don't know what the outcome is of the auto industry. Any auto worker out there, get back with me. If you know me, Beth Ann Nolan, I want you to get with Beth Ann Nolan. She's right there on the floor. She can get you signed up today. But do this. I'm also doing a shout out for Cartagena, Colombia. Also, New Jersey, North Bergen line. Okay? I have a lot of friends that are Colombian. Excuse me. A lot of friends are Colombian. I know what you do. I know you came to New Jersey and you're working 2 or 3 jobs. You do that for a couple months and then you got to go back to Cartagena. Change that. All right? I know how beautiful Colombia is and I know you want to stay there. Get in this. All right? Get back with me today. I have 2 or 3 beautiful ladies. Corinne. Oh my gosh, what's the other ones? I can't remember her name. That all speak Spanish. I'll think of it in a second here. I want to get you to their presentation in Spanish. You'll understand it. You'll know why I'm trying to get your attention. But all my friends in Colombia that's coming over here, you get a visa and you work for a month or so to make some money, and then you go back. They put you up in some flea bag hotel and, work you 12 hours a day for a few bucks, and then you go back. You pay the plane tickets and all that. It's not worth it. Get in this today, all right? I have a lot of friends I haven't gotten in contact with yet that are from Colombia, all right? Working on that, working my butt off on that to get you going on that. I want to change your life. You could stay in your own country. Think about that for the rest of your life and travel anywhere because you're going to be earning residual incomes. I got to watch the clock because Marty's going to fire me. Let me say some hi to people real quick. Bahulu, what's happening? John Gretton, what's happening? Judy Turner Miller, Peter Shore, Vivian. Thank you, Pete. I apologize. Vivian Rodriguez. I have 2 beautiful ladies that speak perfect Spanish. They will help us translate to anything you want. I know most of you speak pretty good English, but you got a lot of people in Colombia that do not speak English, and we want to get them in this. Man, stop selling the stuff in the streets. With Onpassive, you don't got to sell nothing. All you got to do is get in. So I'm talking to you, Cartagena. I'm talking to you, North Bergen in New Jersey, right across from New York. I know who you are. I know your situations. I want to help you change that. Get in this. Tanya Onpassive. How you doing, beautiful Sarker? What's happening? Redford, my man. Real quick while I see Red's name. Red's mom had a little accident the other day where she had to go to the hospital. I'm not going to get into details, but I'm asking if you reach out for prayers for Red's mom. She's older and frail. She's got some stitches in her head now, fluid in her lung, and her blood pressure is high. Can you please reach out and pray for my good buddy Red and his mom and everyone who's sick. But let's reach out some prayers from Red. We prayed many times for our founders that have been sick. They've all gotten through it. So let's throw that out to Mr. Red and his mom. Ooh, I'm missing people. I hate when I do that. But anyway, guys, that's what I'm calling out. Frap Cartagena. All right? Listen to me. Are you going to be the last person at Frap while you see 80, 100, 200 people walk out the door because they joined Onpassive and they now earn a residual income? A residual income. All right? I worked there 32 years. I thought I had it made. No, you don't have it made when you got to go work 7 days a week. 12, 14, 16 hours a day, even 8 hours a day. You still got to go there. You got to put up with all that BS that goes on there. I know most of you don't like it. Actually, I don't think anyone likes it. And I had a pretty good job. I didn't like it. But I want to change that for you. Let's break that cycle. Get in this today. Check out Beth. There's quite a few people at Frap. They just don't want me to say their names because they don't want to hear the negative people. My God, negative people. Stop. All right? If you don't want to join, walk away. You don't need to, but other people want to, and they want to change their lives. You keep throwing those parts, Frap. You keep pushing those wires, the carpets. Hey, guess what? We're laid off because of part shortage again. Oh, my God. Never happened in Onpassive. Never happened in Onpassive, okay? There are no part shortages. There are no layoffs. All you're going to have is residual income coming at you. Why? Because you signed up. You're paying a company to build you a business with no hassle. No hassle. You're going to wake up and see people from all over the world, 4.7 billion people signing up under the founders, which is going to earn you an amazing, a record-breaking residual income. All right, we'll talk about that more later. Ash Mafar is now traveling. He's on the East Coast. Where he's at, nobody knows because that's a secret. All right, it's a protection thing for Ash Mafar. I know Patty put out a nice post about explaining that also. Thank you, Patty. It's a secret where when he goes to a spot and he wants to let us know, he'll let us know. That's called security reasons. You don't understand. This man is going to be, this is his last Yahoo before we launch, okay? He's not going to have a normal life after that because he's going to be known all over the world for creating Onpassive, okay? And not only that, he's going to be loved because he's helping so many people out by sharing what he designed, his wealth, his knowledge. You're getting it all. You're right. You know about the gentleman he just hired? I'm not even sure if it's a gentleman, a CEO, paying him $3 million a year to run one branch of Onpassive. Okay, the top Google CEO, his salary is $2 million a year. What is that? What do you think of that one? Okay, but Frap, Cartagena, New Bergenline in New Jersey. Stop working those 2 or 3 jobs. I know people at Frap that work 2 or 3 jobs. Come on, man, let's break that. Don't you want to be home with your families? Don't you want to go just enjoy yourself instead of work all the time? Change that outlook. Only you could do it. And it's going to cost you right now is $97 to join. When we launch to the world, you'll pay a package fee, and boom, it's on. Onpassive goes to work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, nonstop, advertising you, branding you, putting you out there. You're going to wake up every day, and I got 6 minutes before Marty gets on. You're going to wake up every day, guys. You're going to look in your wallet and say, holy schnockers. Holy schnockers. There's a new one for you, Red. All right? But get in this. Peter Schuer's on here. I know that. Any of these people. Tanya, there's Tanya Steve Ennert. All right? That's my brother's sister-in-law. She got in it. She's killing it. Robert Tantillo, he's killing it. Herberto, all these people below me. John White in the barbershop. Woohoo! Look at no haircut, John. All right? Get in this. All these people's lives are changed already. We already set a record, folks. We've got over 1 million founders. What does that mean? We are going to launch, first company in the world's history that's going to launch with over 1 million customers. What does that tell you? Predicted the first year after we launch, we're going to have 100 million people joining Onpassive. That's the first year, folks. It keeps going. Where do you think they're going to go? Under the founders. All right, residual income. All right, I'm speaking from my heart, folks. All I want you to do is to check it out. Get in this. All right, pay that $97. Check it out. If you don't like it, guess what? I'll get you a refund back because that's how we do it. You can't go wrong with that. All right, who does that? Nobody does that. All right, you'll get your money back if you don't hear and see what I'm saying. but I promise you, you won't ask for your money back. If you did, then you didn't see it. Not everyone is meant to be a founder, but everyone has the opportunity to become a founder right now. The price is going to go up. We're waiting for that information when we go into semi-launch or soft launch or whatever the heck you want to call it. All right. Ash is traveling. That was the start of it all. To be announcing certain products that are coming out in different parts of America. And we don't talk about that because it's a secret, but you'll find out soon. And when he's ready to talk, where he's in a location of launching a product, he'll let us know. But get in this. I got 4 minutes still. Marty DeGarmo's coming on at 12:30. Red just did a surprise live today on Tuesday, which completely threw me off, even though I knew he was doing it. He fired me again, but that's okay. And it's Johnson, Red. It's Johnson. But get in this, guys. Check it out. Stop working 2 or 3 jobs. That's no way to live life, folks. All right. Working 30 plus years of your life, that's no way to live life. We have something brand new what's going to change it. It's going to break that cycle. Do what you want. Earning residual income for you doing not a damn thing. And I can say damn today because you don't have to do nothing but pay your taxes. So frap, wake the hell up. Wake up, stop listening to those 4 boneheads who are going to be resellers anyway as you're walking out the door. They got a lot of cakes to make for your last day party, let me tell you that. Get with Beth Ann. She'll get you in this. She'll get you links. All right, there's quite a few people ask around. They might tell you. But if you're negative, they're going to walk away from you because that's what we do. Stay away from negativity. Onpassive's coming. It's here. It is here. You just don't know it yet, but you will. What are you going to look like when you were that person walking around saying bad things about me or Onpassive and we're launched to the world? You're going to look like a complete idiot. And everyone that you talked out of it are going to be pissed off at you. All right? So rethink your ways there, negative people. You will be resellers. I still love you. You can say whatever you want about me. It don't hurt my feelings. But it's coming. If you're not on this train, woo, it's going to pass you right by because that train's already leaving the station. But get in this. I got to go because Marty's coming on. Make sure you check out Marty on his YouTube channel, Onpassive Nation. If you want to get in that group and hear it, you got to answer 2 questions. Real simple to do. Get to these Q&A webinars. Public. Today at 2 o'clock. Ask anything you want. Guess. The link will be posted on my Facebook. Get it out there to new people. Let's get them going. Cartagena, New Jersey, North Bergline, I'm coming for you. That's right. I want to help you change your life. All right, if you got a birthday today, happy birthday. We're praying for you. Remember, I asked, can reach out to Red and his family and shout out some prayers for his mom and anyone else who is sick. And keep praying. You'll find out in Onpassive we have a lot of power in prayers. You know, you got 1 million people saying a prayer for you. Power. Prayer works, folks. So keep doing that. What else do I want to say? If I miss something, I'll get you. If I miss somebody, I'll get you in the comments. Let me say hi. Let me think. Norelli, what's happening? Patricia Tan, Judy Turner Miller, Lystra T, Lystra Talk. I'll get it one of these days, Lystra. My buddy Robert. Robert puts out some pretty dang inspirational videos every day. He's rocking it. Emily, what's happening? Ooh, I can't say your name if it's not in English, but I'll try. But I think I failed on that one. Who else? Judy Oliver Ellis, what's happening? Diane Lennon, my Canadian sister, good morning. It's coming, you're right. Mark Booth, what's happening? David Switzer, Sonia. Oh, am I forgetting? Herberto speaks Spanish too. I got another guy there that can speak Spanish and does some lives on, I think you do them on TikTok. I see him. I'm not sure if that's you or not, Herberto. Norelli from Australia. Yvonne Mackett, Kent Patterson, New Zealand. It's coming. Papua New Guinea, it's coming. America, it's coming. Listen, America right now is 14% of Onpassive. I think Red was talking about UK's like 1.9. India is 46% Onpassive right now. So let's get these percentages up in all these countries, guys. That will change when we launch to the world because many countries that have gone through a lot of bad things or things that weren't right on the internet, which we know there are a lot, now you have something that's real, all right? So let's pump up the percentages in all these countries. Let's show the world that we're coming. We're not messing around. We're the new kid on the block. We're not competing against any of these platforms, but we will take their shares, all right? Some up to 95%. are going to join Onpassive. Oh, Net's coming. Woo! You heard me talk about that. Oh, Bless is coming. Woo! Gotta love Oh, Bless. Get in this. I gotta go. Marty's coming on. I'll see y'all later. Bye. It's coming. Get in this, Frappin' Cartagena.